Hey everyone! If you're into creating and selling merch on Amazon, I've got something that can really level up your game. The question to ask is, so, what makes Merch Informer so powerful? First off, it's your go-to resource for discovering the latest trends on Amazon merch. Instead of guessing what's popular, you can quickly see what's selling, and use that insight to create designs that are more likely to grab attention and make sales. But that's not all. If you're worried about trademarks, Merch Informer has you covered. It lets you easily check trademarks, so you can avoid any potential legal issues and keep your designs safe. And, of course, visibility is key. Merch Informer also helps you find the best keywords to make sure your work shows up in search results. By using the right keywords, you can boost your visibility and get your designs in front of the right audience. Now, here's the best part. You can get all these amazing features at a discount. Use my code OBDU20 at checkout, and you'll get 20% off your subscription. Just head over to the link in the description. Merch Informer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your merch stand out. Whether you're just starting or already a seasoned creator, Merch Informer is the tool you need to take your merch business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!